In this video, I'm going to show how to use color tags. Some powerable objects, such as the color gate, can use a color tag. By default, it's set to none, which means it doesn't use a color tag, but I can change this, for example, to blue. Now, this color gate will only open if it's powered by something with a blue color tag. So let's hit test. And as I drive over it, I can see that the gate does not open. If I now add a special object such as the sky stone, which also has a color tag property, I can change this to also be blue, move this to the front, and as I push the sky stone on there, I can see the gate opens. Other than sky stones, I can also use color plates. And a color plate doesn't require an extra sky stone. So I'm just going to delete this pressure plate here and create a color plate. Once I connect a color plate to the gate, it will automatically turn into that color. That is because a color plate should be connected to multiple gates, and then it will switch colors. So I'm just going to make this a little bit wider. So I have a little bit more space for two color gates. Move one over here. And I'll create a new one. And this one can be red. Of course, I also need to make sure this is connected. And now I can see my color plates changing colors. When I start the run, it will choose either blue or red and open the corresponding gate. This is, of course, at random and will be different every time.